Okay, thank you, Michael. So my name is Alisa, and then I have a lot of students like your age, like grade 5, grade 6, even though some junior school students, and also some like grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 kids. Okay, so I have a lot of students. We have a good relationships. So when we're having classes, we have some rules. But after class, if you have any questions, anything, you can reach at me or reach at Michael to ask about questions. Okay. But okay, so before we start the class, I would like to say something first. Like, if you start a video, that's very good for me to see you. So we maybe have some interactions, okay? If you know the answer, you can raise your hands, and then you can unmute yourself and answer my question, okay? Trying, okay? And also, if you have any questions, raise your hands, and just ask me, and I can explain it to you, okay? Okay. Okay, sure. And also, like, if you like my point, if you think you get it, also tell me, okay? Okay, so because it's already 10:40, let's get started, okay? I'm gonna share a file like this. So everyone can see it, right? Bowen, can you see it? Lucas, can you see it? Yes? Okay, great. So we start some basic points. Before we start class, I would like to ask some questions to see whether you get it or not, okay? So there are some basic questions, okay? So first, who can tell me what is a factor? Who can tell me? Lucas, would you like to try? No? Who knows what is a factor? For example, we have a lot of questions. Oh, Bowen, you know it. Can you tell me?
It's a number that a number is divisible by.
Very good. For example, so what is a factor for 6? Yeah, say it, Bowen, please.
2.
2. And more?
3.
More? Okay, so I've typed something. Factor for 6. So what usually we do, we start from smallest to biggest, okay? So always think about it. One number times one number can be 6, right? So 1 times 6, right?
Oh.
Remember now? Lucas, remember now? 1 times 6?
6.
12. 1 times 6?
18 and 24 and 30 and 36 and
oh, no, that's called multiple, okay? We're talking about factor means 2 numbers times together goes 6. Like 1 times 6 and then 2 times 3, right?
Yeah.
Do we have more? Do we have more? Charles,
no.
do we have more? No, right? So yeah. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. Okay. Okay, so I ask you another question. What is the factors for 12? Who can tell me?
It's not.
Okay, Charles, you want to say something?
Yeah, okay, so first I'll tell the biggest, the smallest to the biggest, okay?
Okay, great.
1, 2, 3, 4,
great.
6,
great.
And finally the last one is 12.
12, right? Lucas, is that right? Yeah, Bowen, is that right? Good job. Okay. So another topic is about what it means common factors. What is common factors? Okay, Bowen, please.
A factor that 2 numbers have that is the same.
Very good. The common factor. For example, for the factor for 6, that's 1, 2, 3, 6, right? And for the factor of 12, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So there are some numbers in common, like 1, 2, 3, 6. And also this one have a 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 means the common factors, okay? Okay, so there's another topic we call it largest common factors. So what means the largest common factors? Jacob, do you know it? No. Hedy, do you want to say something? No. Okay, sure. So Bowen, please. Oh, Lucas. Okay, so my student wants to answer the question. Okay. So lady first. Okay. Bowen, tell me. So what is the largest common factors?
So it's the biggest common factor that both number has.
Okay, very good. So what is the largest common factors of 6 and 12? Yes? Look.
6.
6? Lucas, is that 6?
Yes.
Okay, great.
The answer can't pass the smallest number.
Yeah. So now I have a question. Why we don't ask the smallest common factor? Why we don't ask about smallest? Who knows the reason?
It's 1.
Yes, look, it's very good. It's always 1. There's no point for me to ask, right? So no matter it's 100,000, like 12,000, the smallest common factor always 1. So we only ask about the largest common factors, okay? You get it? So there's another one, it's called multiples. Okay, Lucas just related to that, okay? So multiples of 3. Who can tell me? List 5 multiples of 3. Okay, but Bowen, you're so good. You know this idea. Good job. Okay, Bowen, can you tell me?
6.
Start from 6. Do we start from 6? We start from
3
times 1. Yes, 3. And then times 2. 6.
9.
9.
12.
12.
15.
Very good. And it goes forever, right? Yeah, it goes forever. Remember that. You can times 100, you can times 1,000, you can times 1 billion, and it goes forever, okay? And then what about multiples of 4? Charles, can you try it? I couldn't hear you.
Okay, so multiples of 4.
4?
2 and 1.
Oh. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2.
Can I say?
2 times 2 is actually...
I have a very important question to ask you later on. Okay, not this one.
Can I say?
Later one, okay? Okay, 8. And then? Charles, continue. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is?
4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is
4, 16. And 4 times 5?
Wait, is 20.
20, very good. Okay, now
100 is 4 times 20.
you can go forever. Okay, Lucas, and now it goes to you. Okay. Okay, my question is, what are the common multiples of 3 and 4?
Largest common multiple.
You can find out the largest one?
No, its smallest common multiples is of what? 2 numbers?
Oh, 3 and 4.
3 and 4. So
Yeah.
the largest. I always say it's the largest. It's the smallest.
Yes,
And
smallest.
it's 12.
It's 12?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I have something typing wrong here. Did you see that? See? Why I have a 13 over here?
Oh, it's 12.
Yeah, I typed it wrong. Sorry, it's my fault. It's a 12. Very good. Okay. Okay, now, so what is the least common ones? Is that 12?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it 12?
12.
Okay.
Yeah,
So my question is, why we don't ask about the largest common multiples?
because it's infinite.
Yes, infinite. Very good. So we only talk about, okay, I'll type it. Smallest common multiples. I hope I get it right. Okay, now my question is, like this one, our largest common factors. A lot of people will write it down LCF, or they will write down greatest common factor, GCF. Okay, the first initials. Okay, or they can talk about what? Largest, greatest, and highest. So HCF. Okay, they have a different kind of name for it, okay? Okay. In French, I don't know French, okay. And also for smallest common multiples, we can talk about what? We never have SCM, we only have list. List also means smallest, so LCM, understand? Or lowest common multiple, LCM, understand? We get it? You get it? Okay, now that's our basic things. I'm going to give a hard question, okay? So I hope you can do on a piece of paper and think about it. The number is not 3, 4, 6, 12, that's small. I can make it bigger because you're now grade 5, grade 6, right? Okay, so my question is, what is, let me think. What is the greatest common factors of, let me see, 300 and 425. Okay. Think about it. I only give 1 minute to think, and then we're gonna do it together, okay? So factor, I'm gonna review, because there are some kids over there. So I'm gonna review, Factor means there are two numbers times together goes to that number. So for example, the factor of 300, we're gonna find all the numbers, they times together goes to 300. So they call all factors of 300. And then factors for 425. So we can find out two numbers times together goes to 425. So we call factors. For example, the factors for 6 can be 1, 2, 3, and 6. Because 1 times 6 goes to 6. 2 times 3 goes to 6. And common factor means what? Common factor means both of them have that factors. Okay, they show in common. And then the greatest means the biggest one. It's the one we're looking for, okay? We have a lot of common factors, but we only have one greatest common. Oh, you already get the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You want to talk about you already found the answer, or you already found out factors of both numbers?
I found the answer of the
Oh, okay. Tell me, Lucas, 25? Okay.
Yeah.
So is any student have different answers? I think it's still calculating. Let's do it together, okay? 300, okay. So Lucas, if you get this answer out, you're gonna tell me what's the factors for 300 first. Tell me from smallest to biggest.
300.
Smallest to biggest. 3 smallest to biggest. 1.
1.
Okay, I'm gonna write 300 at the very back. 300.
No, it's 1, 2.
2.
5. Wait, why do you use this technique? It will take forever.
What? If you say 1 and 300 times together goes to 300, I can find out 2 numbers.
And 5?
Okay, you want to do 1 by 1? 5.
10.
Oh, you're missing 1. 1, 2,
5.
3.
Yeah, there's 3 and
Yeah, that's a 3.
I don't want to use this technique, Mike.
Oh, what technique? Okay, tell me your technique, honey. Tell me your technique, Lucas.
Because this will take it's
forever. Okay, tell me yours.
It's this. Wait, I can't draw. Okay, here. This.
Oh, I know.
We put 300.
Okay, good.
And then we put 425.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good.
And now you need to find something that can both
divide into, right? Very good. Yeah, yes, that's a good method.
Can put 25, and this is 12. The 300
it's a 12.
It's now 12. And it's empty. And then they don't have a divider that can divide the 2. So it's 25 here.
Very good. This is a very good method. Okay, but this is the,
and if the two can be divided,
continue, right?
It's the two. It's multiple.
Okay, very good. Okay, this is a good method. This is a good method. But the ones I'm talking about is a basic method, right? Just basic method. It's the ideal method. Okay. So when we do this kind of questions, okay, get a little bit patient for this basic ones, and then we go to the advanced ones. Okay. But your method is very good. I also use your method. Okay, good. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and then we have to continue it. Okay. I'm gonna write it. Okay, 1 times 300, 2 times 150, 3 times 100, and then do we have 4?
4 times.
No, we don't have 4.
No.
We have 5 and the 60, right? And then, Bowen, tell me, after 5.
Maybe 10.
Well, you jump it too fast, one by one. After 5, you ask about yourself 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One by one to ask yourself. For example, 6. Can we do 6?
I think so.
6, so yes. 6,
Okay,
and then that's a 50, right? And then we cannot divide it by 7. We cannot divide it by 8. We cannot divide it by 9. Then we goes to 10, right? 10 and then 30, is that right? Oh my God, it's no space. I already talked. Okay. 11? Do you have 11?
No.
Do you have 12?
No.
Yes.
No. Yes.
Yes.
12 times what?
12 times 15, maybe.
12 times 15?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No,
No, it's not. There's no.
12 times 25.
Yeah, that's good, Charles. Okay, that's a 25. Do you still have it? 13, 14. Do you have it?
No, I don't.
15?
Yep.
Yes. Oh my God. Sorry, it's too ugly.
Oh yeah.
15 and what? 15 and 20, right? Right? 16, 17,
I'll have
18,
to write.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 18. It's almost 12 to 20 is very close, and then we don't have 16, 17, 18, 19, so that's everything, okay? So there's a lot, okay? So now for 425, oh my God. 425 usually have less than 300, okay? Even though number is bigger, but 300 is an even number, so it can be divided by a lot of numbers. So 425, so 1, 425. Do you have 2? No. Do you have 3? We don't have 3? Wow.
Oh.
Is that, who's, okay, you retry it for me, Lucas? Okay, good. So 3, do you have 3? How to determine a number can be divided by 3 or not? Trying to add the 3 digits together. Bowen, say it.
Add the digits together, and if the sum is divisible by 3, then it's divisible by 3.
Perfect, very good. See, this is the 4, this is the 2, this is a 5. So this 3 digit added together goes to what? 4 plus 2 plus 5, that is a 12, right? So 12 can divide by 3. So this number can be divided by 3. This is a divisibility rules, okay? So very good, Bowen. Okay, so that's a 3, and then divided by 3 is what? 1. Oh, 4 plus 2 plus 5 is not 12. It's what?
It's 11.
So it cannot divide by 3, right? Because 11 cannot divide by 3, so the number cannot divide by 3, okay? So no 3. Do we have 4?
No.
No. How to determine a number can be divided by 4 or not? Okay, Bowen.
The last 2 digits.
Very good. The last 2 digits, this is 25, because 25 cannot divide by 4. So this whole number cannot divide by 4. So 4 is not an option, okay? So do we try 5?
Yes.
Yes, first, can you tell me 5 and then?
You just There's actually a way to count by 5. You just count the number who one's digit has 5s.
Yeah, have 0 or 5.
Yeah,
Those are ways. Okay, very good. So if you divide 5, what the answer will be?
0 divided by 5 is 0.
425 divided by 5 equal what? Is that 85?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
So actually it's 5 times 85.
Yeah, 5 times 85 goes to 425. Very good. Okay, do you have a 6?
No.
7?
No.
8?
No.
9?
No.
How to determine 9?
Oh, just go. Oh.
Bowen, you're good at this. Tell me.
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then it's divisible by 9.
Very good. We know the sum of digits. 4 plus 2 plus 5, that's 11. So it cannot divide by 9. So this number cannot divide by 9. Very good. Okay, I'm going to review it later on. Okay, 9, 10, 11.
No. No.
12. No. 13.
No.
14. 15. 16. 17.
Yeah.
Good job, Charles. You always get the right point.
Yeah.
Okay. Divided by 17 goes to what?
That is 25 because 25, 50, 75, 100. That's how.
Very good.
Yeah. You can also do that.
Okay. And then 19 and 20, no more, right? And 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So, because I did very fast, because I know there's a number cannot divide it by this. Okay, now we find out basic rules. We find out all the factors. Can we find out common ones, Lucas? We don't find the common ones. Where's the common ones? Look at it. Where's the common ones? I can see the common ones. Common number, common factor. You list out all the factors, but you cannot find out common factors?
It's not all the factors. Well.
So common, I'm not asking about grades. I'm just asking about common factors. We have what as common factors? We have what? We have 1, right?
What?
1.
I forgot the question.
Oh, that quick? Okay, 1 is the common factors, and then 5 is the common factors, right?
Yeah.
And then?
It's 6, and then 10.
No,
12, 15.
Common, honey. Common means both of them have it.
Oh.
So 1 has it, and then 3, but not 3, not 3. Okay, 5?
Not 5 yet. Wait, which two number? Which two number?
300 and 425. We just list out.
Oh.
Okay. 17 is no. And then 25, right?
Yeah.
Right? So what is the greatest one? 25, right?
Yeah.
If you know the big numbers, I think for the all the easy numbers, it can be good, okay? Okay. And then I will talk about the method Lucas talking about. Easy ones. So we want to find out common factors. We're gonna write down 300 over here, 425 over here, right? And then we're going to find a number over here to see which number is which are common factors for the both of them. So 300 divided number, 425 also can divide by that number. So think about that number will be what? See, this is 0, this is 5 over here, right? So we can try 5 first, right? So if we try 5 over here, so Bowen, can you tell me what number I put over here? 5 times what goes to 300? 5 times what goes to 30? 5 times what?
60.
Yes, perfect. Okay, Charles, can you tell me 5 times what goes to 425?
5 times 80. Oh, 5 times 80.
85. Okay, 85. Very good. And then 60 and 85 still have common factors. So we continue, join another box over here and put another common factors. What is another common factors, Lucas? Tell me one.
We have 5.
We have 5, very good. 60 divided by 5, that's a 12. 85 divided by 5, that's a 17. So do we still have common in 12 and 17?
No.
No, do we have it? No? No,
Because we don't have.
Very good.
Because we don't have.
Yes, 17 is a prime number, so we don't have it. So the common factor is 5 times 5 goes to 25.
Yeah.
So that quick, okay? This is the quicker, okay? This is the quickest way we can find it, okay? Good. So, okay, and there's another question. So we can use this form to find out the largest common factor. Can we find out the least common multiples?
Yes, but this you need to multiply the 12 and the 17.
Very good. If we want to find out common multiples, we do 5 times 5 times 12 times 17. The number will be the least common multiples. Okay? If we just want to find out the greatest common factor, we just times this 5 and 5. If we want to find out least common multiples, we need times 5, 5, 12, and 17 all together. Okay? Clear? Clear, huh? I cleared it, okay? So now I make a small one. You do quickly using this method. 30 and then 12. This method, trying. Find out the common ones, one by one to go it down. It goes down. Wow, the time flies. It's 11:05 already. Okay. Lucas and Bowen find it. Okay, do you know how to chat it for me? Okay, chat it for me the answer. I don't want other people can hear it. Let's try. Okay, there. Wow. There's so many kids give me answers. Crazy, huh? Oh, Lucas, you give me so many numbers. Why? So many times. Okay.
Oh, I will re-give it one.
Oh, that's a Cindy also give me answers. So very good. Okay, let's try. Okay. So let's try the common one. So what number we should put over there on the left side? What number should we put over there? What number should we put over here? Owen?
6.
We can put 6 over here. Try is so big. Okay. So 5 times 6 is 30. And Bowen can tell me what number I put over here?
2.
2. So can we continue 5 and 2?
Yeah.
Can we? No. So what is the biggest factor? Biggest common factor. That's a 6, right?
6.
Right? And then what is the least common multiple? Tell me. Least common multiple. Yes, 6 is the largest common factors, okay? Okay. And then 5 times 6 times 2, 60, goes to LCM, least common multiple. Okay, and then this 6 will be the least, this the largest. My pen's not looking good. It's a large, we can say greatest to distinguish. Greatest common factors. Very good. Excellent, huh? Excellent, huh? And then I have a question now. So I just asked Bowen about the divisibility rules. Okay, there are numbers. Okay, who is doing that? Is that Lucas?
Sorry, I pressed the undo button.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine. Okay, I understand. Okay, so we just talked about divisibility rules, and then we talk about one number can divide by 2, one number can divide by 3, one number can divide by 5, one number can divide it by 6, 9, 10. So Bowen know all the rules for these numbers, right? right? But you know all the rules, right?
So you mean what number can be divided by all this?
Not all this, just 2.
Oh,
You need to tell me rules. Rules means what?
What number can be divided by 2? You want us to tell the rule?
Yeah, tell the rules. Think about it. They're in common. There are common rules, okay? But already raise your hands. I know you know it. Okay, Lucas, you know it? But tell me first. So you tell me is he right or wrong, okay? Okay, Lucas, tell me.
That the last number is 0, 2, 6, 8, and
2,
yeah.
0, 2, 6, 8. You're missing one. The last digit is.
I will say 0, 2, 4, 6.
Oh, that's correct. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the last digit, only for last digit, okay? Last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All can be divided by 2. For example, I make a very, very big number. Just tell me, okay? Okay, so for example, I can write a lot. And let's start with ending with this. Okay, this number can be divided by 2? Yes? Charles? Yes? Yes, Charles?
What?
Is this number can be divided by 2? See, the last digit is a 0. It's a 0, then can divide by 2.
No, 0 can maybe. 0 divided by 2 equals 0.
No, I mean this whole number can be divided by 2 or not. This whole number, because this large digit is a 0. That means it's an even number. It's an even number. That means you always.
That means it can be divided by 0 because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 or 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in the ones place, so they can divide it by 2.
We determine a number can be divided by 2 or not. It depends on the ones digit.
Yeah.
So, yes. So we can divide it by 2, understand? Because
yes.
0 is an even number. Not using 0 to divide by 2, using this whole number divided by 2 is okay. We use this one to determine whether we can divide it by 2. Because if 0 is showing an even number, it's an even number, so can divide it by 2. Okay? If the last digit is 2, is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it all can be divided by 2. Okay. Very good. What about the rules for 3? Wow. Bowen knows it. Lucas knows it. Is any other student knows it? The rules for 3. Wow. Oh, Heidi, you know it. Can you tell me? Can you tell me, Heidi? You raised your hand. I just realized. Yeah.
You have to add all the numbers together to see if it's divisible by 3.
Very good. We need to add all the digits together to see if it's divisible by 3. Very good. Excellent. For example, I make an example, 387. Is this number can be divided by 3? Think about it. Is that okay? If it isn't, it's okay. Chat it for me. Because I only can see like 4 students on the screen. I couldn't see every student. So, yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Very good. Very good. There's a girl. I see. Okay. Very good. Okay. Because what? Because 3, like Heidi said, 3 plus 8 plus 7. That is 18. 18 can be divided by 3. So this whole number can be divided by 3. Okay. So I'll make a longer one. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this one? It's okay divided by 3?
Yeah.
Oh, divide by 3 or not? Okay. Lucas, why you circle out those 2 numbers? Okay, Aaron said no. Very good. And there is oh, sorry, my dog. Okay, Jacob said no. Very good.
My ears are hurt.
Oh, sorry, it's just a fall. It's a panting fall down if you get scared. Sorry, my dog. I apologize for it. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so a lot of people saying no, because 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to what? equals 11. So cannot divide by 3. So no, we cannot divide by 3. Very good. Very good. Nice job. Okay, now I want you to give me one examples. I want this number to be 6-digit number, and it cannot divide it by 3. 6-digit cannot divide by 3. Give me an example showing on this, annotate on this screen. I can see it. Oh, you check for me. Okay, sure. Okay, there's one answer. Let me see. Lucas saying like 1, 1, 1. Wow, there's so many numbers. Okay, Lucas and Bowen, just the last digit is different. Okay, and then there's a girl. There's a M-I. Is that Michael? Because I only can see the 2 digits. Oh, Mia, that's Mia. A new girl, right? I couldn't see you. Mia, where are you? Couldn't find you. Okay. So Mia, give me a number. It's like, okay, I write it down. 1, 5, 3, 6, 9, 1. She gave me this number. Let me see if it's divisible by 3 or not. 1 plus 5 is a 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 1, that's a 25. 25 cannot divide by 3, so this number cannot divide by 3. Perfect, Mia. Very good. Nice job. And Lucas give me 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. And there's another person give me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Oh my God, it's challenging me. So the number, okay, just this is the last one. 4. The number he gave it to me is 4, 3, 5, 2, 3, 1, 2. Is that okay working? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 plus 2, the 20. 20 cannot divide by 3. So we cannot divide by 3. Okay, that's it. Okay, so many. There's so many number comes up. Okay, what are the rules for 5? Who knows it? Okay, Bowen knows it. Okay, Bowen, I will let you say it.
If the last digit is 0 or 5.
Very good. It's a lot. Yeah, Mia, very good. The last digit is 0 or 5. Okay. For example, I give a number 3, 6, 8, 9, 1, 0, 9, 0. Is that okay? Divided by 5. Okay. No matter how many digits of this number is, just depends on the last digits. Okay. Okay, Melinda, raise your hand. Yes, very good. Okay, what about 6? What's the rules for 6? Wow. That's another student give me so many digits, so many 0 at the back. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so what about 6?
So the rules of 6 is that, okay, so 6, 12, 18, 24.
Okay, what about rules? Very good. You say it about, you say 6 and 12 and 18 and then 24 and then 30. What is common for these numbers? What number can be divided by 6?
And the 1's digit, oh, so wait. 6,
Tell me that.
8.
6? Think about it. What is the rules for digit 6? For a number can be divided by 6? Mia, I think it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Is that right? We have another things together.
2, 4, 6, 8. All of the numbers.
That only can divide it by 2.
Yeah.
If you're ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that can only.
There's an ending.
What?
There's a. You know that the number, if the multiple of the number is even, so that means the ends were 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah, that can be divided by 2. But for 6, think about it. 6 can use 2.
So you only need to think about the number. So 6 can divide it by 3. So every even number is supposed to be divided by 3. Then they are supposed to divide by 6.
Very good, Charles. You're excellent. So all the even number is 1 rules, and we need to also, this number also can divide it by 3. And then this number can be divided by 6. So we have to satisfy two rules. One, you have to satisfy the rules for 2 and also satisfy the rule for 3. That means you have to make sure it's an even number, and also you have to make sure this number can be divided by 3. And then combine these two rules together, and this number can be divided by 6. For example, I make an example, So for example, I make a number that is 2, 4, 5, and 1. So see, this number cannot divide it by 2, right? So this number cannot divide it by 6 for sure. So what about this one? This number can be divided by 2, right?
Yes.
Can this one divide it by 3?
Wait.
This number can divide it by 2. Can this number divide it by 3?
No.
No.
No. Yes. No. So can this number can divide it by 6?
No, definitely.
No, because we have satisfied 2 rules. Can divide it by 2, cannot divide it by 3. So this number cannot divide it by 6. Okay, I gotta change this number to, let me see, 4. This number, can it divide it by 2? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Can it divide it by 3? Can it divide it by 3?
Yes.
Yes. So it can divide it by 2. It can divide it by 3. So can we divide it by 6? Yes. Because both rules satisfied. Divide by 2 is fine. Divide by 3 is fine. So it can divide it by 6. Okay, good. Okay, last 2. Okay, 9. What about rules for 9? What about rules for 9? Okay, Brian, tell me.
The sum of the digits have to be divisible by 9.
Oh, very good, Mia. Very good. Mia also give it to me. Bowen, very good. Okay, for example, 2, 3, 0, and then 4. If this number can be divided by 9.
50.
Yeah, Mia very quick. That's good. Yes, right? 2 plus 3 is a 4, is a 5. 5 plus 4 is a 9. So this number can be divided by 9. So that's correct. Okay. Okay. So give me a 5-digit number that can divide it by 9, please. 5-digit number. Only 5 digits. Don't give me too much, okay? 5-digit number can divide it by 9. Okay, Bowen, give me. Okay, Bowen, very good. And Bowen, give me a number for that. Very good. And Mia, give me 1, 3, 5, 0, 6. So that's a 7, 12, 18. Very good. Very good. And Lucas, give me 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. 4, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Excellent.
Actually, the biggest number, 5-digit number that can be divided by 9 is 99999.
Wow, nice job. 99999. Because there are 5 9, so they added together is 45. So 45 can divide it by 9.
That's the biggest number.
Very good, excellent. I like your idea, Taurus. Very good.
No.
What about the rules for 10?
A little bit.
What are rules for 10?
And
Okay. Anyone knows? Wow, Mia knows it. Mia said it's ends with 0. Is that right? End with 0. Yes, perfect. If your number ends with 0, it also can divide it by 10. What about the 100? What number can divide it by 100?
20.
Yeah, 20 at the back.
The least is 20. If a number has the least is 20. So
very good.
So more than like 1,000. So if the number divided by 1,000, they have the 0 number. There's supposed to be 3 0 or more.
Very good. Okay. If a number can be divisible by 1,000, you also can divide it by 100. You also can divide it by 10. Okay. Very good. Yeah, very good. And also there's another question. Okay. Do anyone knows what is prime numbers, right? Prime numbers, right? Like 17, like 7, just 1 times 17 and 1 times 7.
Yeah.
You cannot find out other pairs to times.
Yeah, I know the prime number.
Very good. Now my question is, do you know what is prime factorization? Prime factorization. Okay, for example, I will try one. Think about it. So he want you to use prime numbers to showing the factorizations. For example, 18. We can do 2 times 9, right? Is that right? And 2 is a prime number or not?
Yeah, 2 is not a prime.
Yes.
2 is not? You only can do 1 times 2. Can you find other things that can times together goes 2? No, right?
No.
Yeah, so that's a prime number. Okay. So 2 is the smallest prime number that is also an even number. There are a lot of questions asked. Is there any even number that is a prime numbers?
No, because they can all divide by 2.
2 is an even number, right? Yeah, but it's a prime number. So we have exceptionals. 2 is an even number, but it's a prime number. So we cannot say all the even numbers are not prime numbers because 2 is different. Okay, now, so we continue. 2 times 9 goes to 18. And then 2 cannot separate now. Now we'll do 9. 9 can be 3 times 3. Is that right? Right? So that means factorization. And then you only use prime number to do factorization. So 18 equals 2 times 3 times 3. And the 2, 3, 3 are all prime numbers. Understand now? Okay, and then I gotta try another one. Okay, yeah, very good. I gotta try another one. For example, 27. Can you show me the prime factorizations for this number? One number times one number times one number, whatever, goes to 27. And you have to be prime numbers.
9.
Huh?
3 and 9.
9 is not prime. We need all the numbers to be prime numbers. Yeah, very good. Okay, Bowen, very good. Raise your hand. Tell me.
3 to the exponent of 3.
Yeah. So 3.
3 times 3 times 3.
Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. And Cindy, show me all the prime numbers. Okay, very good. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. Very good. Okay. Okay, I'm going to ask the big numbers now. Not too big. 208. Tell me the prime factorization about this number, please. Only prime numbers times together goes to this number. If you get the answer, if you know the answer, you can chat it for me, that I can see it. All the prime numbers times together goes to 208.
So you cannot write you can only write prime numbers?
Yeah, prime numbers. So
Oh.
one number, one number, one number. Yeah, only can primes. Did you get the answer? Oh, Mia, very quick. Mia, that's correct. Excellent. Okay. There's one girl, I didn't see her face, but she's always chatting for me. That's pretty good. I can see her answer. She's very good. And what about the other kids? So, I give 10 more seconds, okay? have the prime numbers. Okay, Bowen, you get it, right? Can you tell me?
2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 13, I think.
Very good, very good. Let's try together, huh? Very good, okay. Let's try together. 208, right? So that can be 2 times 104. And 2 is already prime, so leave it. And then we continue to do 104. That's a 2 times 54. And 2 is already a prime number, so we can do 52. That's a 2 and a 26. And 2 is a prime number. And 26 continue, that's a 2 and 13. And 2 is a prime, 13 is also prime. So will be what? Will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Therefore, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. 2, and then 13. 13. Okay, Bowen, you have another method to do prime factorizing. I know what's your method. You want to say that method, right?
I kind of get it now.
You don't get it?
4, 8, 6.
Well, Charles, what did you say?
So, so the 208 number can divide by 16. So 104 divided by 8. No, I mean that. Okay, so the numbers is supposed to be 2 and 104, and then divided by 2 and divided by 2 all the way to the prime number. So
very good. So I think Bowen talking about the method is very good. Bowen talking about the method is like that. Don't use the factor tree. He used this one, right? And then you can divide by 2. That is 104. Divide by 2. That is 52. Divide by 2. That is 26. Divide by 2. That is 13. This is also one method. So all factors 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 13. And then we can use
2, 1, all the way to 130.
Yeah, until we get the prime numbers, right?
The prime number has to divide by 1 only. And the 26 divided by 254.
Very good. Okay, now do we know what is exponents?
Yeah.
Well, we know what is exponents. So tell me what is exponents. Yes, okay. So Bowen knows it. Bowen, you're in grade 5 or grade 6?
I'm in grade 4, but I'm going to grade 5.
You're good. You're good. I like you, huh? Like, continue, huh? So, for the exponents, can I write over here? So there are 4, 2, right? So we can do 2 to the power of 4 and times 13. Is that correct? Is that correct? Because there's 4, 2, so 2, 2, 2, 2, and then times 13, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I gonna show another things. I write something over here, and then if we want to annotate on my screen, it's okay. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times. Okay, that's it. Can you using exponent to show to simplify all these numbers using exponent? If you want to write on my screen, it's okay right now, because I know there are some students like couldn't chat it. Hard to use exponent. Okay, this is the answer from Bowen, right? Oh, so cute. It's like a snail, right? Okay, is that correct? 2 to the power 3, because we have 2, 2, 2. 3 to the power 3, we have 3, 3, 3. And the 5, we only have a 5 left over. So there's exponent is actually 1, so we don't need to write it. Yeah, Mia says yes. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now I will move to here. I think it's almost the time. Okay, I want to ask about 4 questions, and then you get it right, then we done it, okay? Okay, the first one. I am a number between 20 and 30, and I'm a multiple of 4 and also multiple of 7. So who am I? Think about it.
How do you know this? Out.
I'm a number between 20 and 30. I'm a model of 4. Try it for me. If you know the answer, try it for me. Okay, try it for me. Lucas, you raise your hand. Can you try it for me? Wow, there's so many students giving the answer. All correct.
Can I?
There's so
Can
many.
I say?
Yeah, you say it.
It's 28.
Yeah, there's so many students give me the right answer. Perfect. Thank you, Tan. Even though I don't know, Jacob, Melinda, very good. And now I'm a number between 30 and 40. I'm a factor of 70. So who am I? I'm a number between 30 and 40. I'm a factor of 70. Think about it. It's the third last question, okay? Okay, Lucas, no way. Chat it for me. Chat it for me. Let me know you get the right answer. Chat it for me. I'm a number between 30 and 30. You tried it, but why I couldn't see it? What's wrong? My computer's problem? I couldn't see it. Too many. I just couldn't see it. Okay, just say it out.
Okay, I
got it. Oh my God, so many students.
Can you
Rush
see it?
down to my computer.
Okay.
Yeah. 35, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lucas, Jacob, Owen, Charles, very good. Okay, the second
This
one.
is very easy because
Yes.
70 divided by 2, it's a 35.
Very good. Get on track, right? Okay, next one. I am an odd number smaller than 50, but greater than 30. I'm a multiple of 7. I'm not a multiple of 5. Who am I? Who am I? So why I couldn't see the chatting? Suddenly, too many students chatting for me. I couldn't open the chat. So I cannot see it. So does anyone have the answer? Yes. So did you chat it for me? Because I couldn't see the chat right now. I don't know why. Because anyone tell me now? So okay, Pauline, tell me.
21.
21. Is that right?
No, it's
Wait,
42. It's 49.
49. 42. Wow, small
42.
number.
It's an odd number and it's between 50 and 30.
What there's so many. Okay. 49.
No, it's 42. It's an odd number.
Yes. 42 odd number. Lucas, 42 is an odd number?
What?
So 49 is correct, okay? Very good, okay. 49, okay. Multiple of 7, not a multiple of 5, and it's an odd number, and it's smaller than 50, greater than 30. Okay, last one, okay. I'm a number greater than 10, smaller than 40. I'm a factor of 56, but not a multiple of 4. Let me see who get the answer first. Oh, Charles. Oh, there is a student called Chan also giving the answer. Very good. And Mia already giving the answer. So Charles already giving the answer. What about the other kids? Charles, very good. Chat it for me, Lucas. that people think about it. Yeah, Lucas, very good. Very good. Okay. Wow, Chen, very good. 非常好，找对了哈 Good job. Oh, there's a girl. 20. Give me a number 23. 我们来看一下 23. 23 is not a factor for 56, honey. So 23 is not the right answer. Okay, I tell the answer. Everybody.
Maybe you wanted. Maybe he wanted
that's
to
right.
say 48.
Right. Very good. That's a 14, right? Because a factor of 56 is not that much. And then not a multiple 4. Yeah, this is not a multiple 4. And yes, that's a between 10 and 40. Okay. Okay, good. So that's a class for today. Okay, very good. I really appreciate every kids over here, and you give me a lot of interactions. Okay, and that let me feel good. Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
Alisa.
Yeah.
Thank you. We done the class today. Hello, Alisa.
Yeah. Yes, I'm here.
Oh, good job. I believe all the students really like to work with you.
There are some students, I only know their name. They're chatting for me, but I couldn't see their face. And then, because my screen only can show like 3 or 4 kids here. Couldn't show the other
I know.
kids.
Me too. Some of them are not turning on the camera, but it's really fun class. Fun class. I can tell.
I always turn on my camera.
Good job. Who is this? Lucas. Lucas is Ching Sing.
Lucas, Bowen, very good. Charles, very good. Hattie, very good. Cindy, very good. And then there's I also went to Mia, Melinda, Charles, and there's and Chan. I don't know. There's so many students very good actually.
Yeah, very good. So you guys enjoy today's class? You guys like it? Bowen?
Yes.
Yeah, Charles? You guys like it? Give a teacher a thumb up if you enjoy and learned a lot today. If you guys like it, give teacher a thumb up. Good job, guys. Wow, lots of a big thumb up. Thank you, Mia. Okay. I can tell they all enjoy, they learn some new things. And teacher Alisa, do you mind attend? Let them know for September to December for this level Singapore Math, what you mainly gonna teach them for the future? For the future, just briefly, yeah.
Oh, well, I didn't hear clearly. You want me to briefly introduce the Singapore Math or what?
No, for your future class, for this class, grade level 5, grade 5-6 students for the fall season. What you gonna teach them? What's your course content? Just briefly. You can, like for September, October, what's roughly gonna teach?
Okay, no problem. Okay, so this is the first topic for level 5, and then I'm gonna teach a lot for fractions. Fractions include all the adding, subtracting, times, division, and also some intensive practice for fractions. Especially, we'll mostly focus on the word problems of fractions, okay? And then we're going to talk about the geometry ones. Geometry is not the basic perimeter and area. We're going to study about composite figures, and then we're going to start a complex composite figures to find out area and perimeter. And we also can talk about ratio. Ratio is similar to fractions, and also something about speed, the word problem of speed. These are things we think there's a lot of hard questions and basic questions in Singapore Math. Okay, so geometries, fractions, and there's basic whole numbers, and then ratios. This is what I wanted to talk about in level 5 for September to December.
Very good.